Hey there, today I will show you how to buy TikTok coins with Google Play. TikTok coins are a virtual currency that users can purchase to buy gifts and access other features on the TikTok app. You can buy coins with real money. So, how you can buy it by Google Pay? To buy TikTok coins using Google Play, you will need a Google Play account and a payment method. You can use a debit or credit card, a prepaid card, or a disposable card. Uh, so how you can do it? First, open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile, then tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner, then tap on balance. From here you will see an option get coins. Just tap on it. Now select your rechargeable amount, how much you want to recharge. For example, I'm selecting 70, then tap on recharge. Then you will see an option Google Play. If you have funds on Google Play, tap on apply. um, then enter the amount of the TikTok coins you wish to purchase, and then click on confirm the transaction. And after acquiring your TikTok coins, you can use them to send virtual gifts during their live streams or access other premium features. You can also choose the amount of coins you want to recharge by tapping on recharge, and that's it. You have successfully purchased the TikTok coins with Google Play.